Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are in front of this humongous 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom villa just in the central Barava, which is part of the Canggu. We are about 100 meters walking distance to the beach, so this is beachfront villa, extremely luxurious. We cannot wait to go and tour it. By the way, thank you very much Lux Nomads for allowing us and doing the tour in this beautiful property. Let's go. So this is the entrance, guys. And as you enter the property, the villa,
First impressions.
you got this incredible, large, beautiful space.
Wow, look at this.
So let's start our vlog actually over here, our tour, sorry. So swimming pool, look at the size of this.
It's massive.
This can easily accommodate like 50 people, I bet.
Accommodate, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we start with sun loungers, sunbeds, somebody would call. We've got 4 of them over here. And we've got another 2 of them over there.
More in the shade.
Over here we do have a outdoor seating area. Double sofa with a large wooden table and 2 chairs. This is all outdoors. It's
Very
covered.
beautiful.
Just look at the roof. It's all covered, so you've got rain protection as well. On the left side, beautiful, massive flower, and behind that
It's
we've
a
got this
palm.
palm. Yeah, and behind that palm we've got this beautiful outdoor dining table, is it?
Yeah, I think it's the only like a kitchen table where you can have a meal.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's pretty large.
10 seats, so
10
again
seats.
it can accommodate. This villa is made for, I guess, quite a few people, to accommodate quite a few
Yeah,
people.
it's 5 bedrooms, so 10 people.
Let us know, guys, what you think so far about outdoor area. It's a pretty massive space. Have a look once again this way to the left. That's it. Look how large is this. There's so much green behind that.
I love it. I love it so much.
Yeah,
And this
yeah.
dining
Mornings.
area.
Mornings must be absolutely amazing over here.
Yeah.
Okay, where should we go next? Should we go to the living room area?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Alina will swap me now.
Okay, so we are at the entrance to the main living space.
Yeah.
And you've got ceiling to the floor, doors all over the,
sliding
all
doors.
around the villa. Yeah, so you can open it up and have this indoor-outdoor living space.
Yeah.
So as we come to the villa, first thing you can notice, it's light. How much light it has. It's very important.
Just look how much of open space or how much light is going through this sliding door is incredible.
Yeah, and fans, they've got these fans on the ceiling, so they've got obviously AC as well, but I like the fact you don't have to use AC all the time, so you can use the fans.
Yeah.
So it's divided into 2 areas, I would say. This is one area, more like a chill zone, with 3 large sofas and a incredibly large
This
wooden
thing is
table.
crazy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Everything seems in this villa. Everything seems so large. Wow.
You feel this. You are in a large space. Yeah. It's really nice. Okay, so we've got the stairs leading to the 2nd floor, which we'll show you later.
There are 2 master bedrooms upstairs, but
2
we'll show
main-
you later.
Yeah.
What's inside here? Just a toilet, is it?
It's a toilet, yeah.
Okay. Oh, just a toilet.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if we come this way, they have some yoga mats provided as well, so you've got enough of space where to do yoga.
Yeah.
And another thing is you can invite a yoga teacher here.
Yeah, we're gonna show you the guest book, guys, as well. They have a special guest book with all the information you need.
Yeah.
About the
So
villa.
here we are in a TV area.
Yeah.
I would call it.
And again, look at this space.
It's absolutely beautiful space, I have to say. The most beautiful we've seen so far.
Yeah, so far this villa is the most impressive.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the downstairs bedroom, guest bedroom number 1.
The one we showed you on
Yeah.
the left corner.
We're gonna go that way, and this is bedroom, which you can enter outdoors or the swimming pool area from that bedroom. So Alina will take over from here. So we are in front of guest bedroom number 1. Let's go
Let's
inside.
go in.
Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh. Don't break the door.
So this is the guest bedroom. Just a normal queen size bed, 2 side tables.
Yeah.
I like the colors, and also there is so much light here. Waking up and having this view,
Look
like
at that.
the outdoors view, swimming pool, just incredible. Also, smart TV. Smart TV is in every room, guys, and one little chair in the corner. It's very simple.
To read a book, yeah.
Very simple, but very modern style, very fresh, young. I'd love to stay here.
Yeah, it's not too cluttered. That's what I like about this
What's
space.
inside here? Ah, okay, so you do have a wardrobe over here with 2 ropes and also safe.
Walk-in wardrobe, yeah.
And each bedroom has got ensuite. So
That's the
Have a
best
look here.
part, isn't it?
it's a bit dark-ish.
Sorry
We
about
didn't
that.
manage to open the windows properly. But yeah, you have a standing shower here, double sink, double mirror, very good for our couples. Again,
Toilet, sinks. Oh, and this is the only ensuite which has a outside bath.
yeah. Look it up.
Look
Really
at
cool.
the space where you take a bath, surrounded by the plants.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Like everywhere in the Bali, right? Surrounded by the plants. So now we're gonna go. Now we're gonna go to bedroom, guest bedroom number 2. Okay, guys. So we got another set of stairs which are leading to guest bedroom number 2. But we will start with this one, and then Alina will show you upstairs guest bedroom. So it's very similar, essentially.
You've got some seating area to enjoy the pool view. Once we come in,
When you come in, again, you do have this storage space with the 2 ropes. You can just chill with the inner ropes,
yeah,
and again, safe.
it's like an opened wardrobe.
This is the guest bedroom, yeah.
Ooh.
So important to say 2 single beds, but they can be definitely connected if you are a couple.
Or it's good for kids.
This chair is very interesting. Very cool design.
Oh, it's leather.
Yeah,
You cannot see that well on camera, but
really
it's
nice.
super beautiful chair.
Let's have a look at the bathroom. And again, ensuite bathroom. Oh,
Be careful.
so excited. So bigger standing shower as in the previous one, and double sink.
Double sink.
Very similar settlement as in a previous one.
Yeah.
And this shower is just super large, yeah, with all the shower gels and all that stuff you need.
Toiletries. Yeah.
Okay,
Nice.
let's go. Let's go to 2nd floor now. We're gonna be using these stairs, and Alina will get you through the room number 2.
This is the view which you see once you open your eyes. First thing in the morning, what you can
Just
see.
check this view, guys. There is another villa,
Yeah.
but look at that.
I just cannot get enough of it.
Okay,
Okay,
let's go to the bedroom.
so that's the bedroom. You can feel that it's already bigger size.
Yeah.
Is it the 3rd biggest room?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, yeah. So, TV in a corner, another
little chair.
chair, the same as the previous
But
one,
white.
but white. And pretty much design in each room is the same. It just changes a bit in colors and size.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is massive
Fun.
bed, fun.
And also you have this little boy saving
The
your
same.
life.
Oh, and this room has a little dressing table or working desk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Opened.
You're
What?
breathing heavily. Was that
Yeah.
what? Upstairs?
It's
This
hot
was-
in here.
She's like-
Yeah. So open wardrobe situation, safety box, and bathroom.
Again, guys, double sink, double mirror, a lot of light,
Yeah.
and large standing shower with all you need.
And toilet is over there.
Pretty spacious. Okay guys, now we're gonna go to see master bedrooms, which are in this building, and this is gonna be master bedroom number 1.
Let's go.
So basically, how do you get to master bedroom? We got a little bit lost now, but we realized you need to go through the living room again,
Yeah.
and upstairs you can enter those master bedrooms.
Okay, once we come in, we've got a seating area.
Yeah, let me
Yeah.
show you.
Seating
So
area.
this is massive seating area. This is like a triple
Yeah,
sofas.
6 to 8 people, I would say.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the first room,
Over here, yeah.
which is over here. As we come in, it's wardrobe again.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go first.
You can feel it's bigger in size.
Yeah.
The same situation, lamps, massive bed, absolutely beautiful painting.
By the way, guys,
I love the
Alina
card.
is painting as well. So soon we'll be showing you a few pictures.
Well.
Few pictures?
Paintings.
Few paintings, yeah,
Yeah.
sorry.
Smart TV and another beautiful chair in a corner. It's like a reading nook. And
Really
from this room you've got your own little balcony,
Little patio.
little patio space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Overlooking the pool again.
Like this flower as well. Actually, it's a bamboo, is it? It's a plant.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go to the main master bedroom. So we will go around
Yeah.
through the outside.
So you can guys get there from that room, or we enter basically this way.
Yeah, let's go this way. Welcome.
This is definitely bigger.
Yeah, you can feel wardrobe space.
Yeah. Large king size bed.
This is beautiful bed. Look at that.
Sorry, there's too much light. Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this feature. Art piece.
Wow.
I'm speechless.
Is that mustache? Is that like a massive mustache?
Yeah, for sure.
Looks like that.
Okay, so here we've got like 5 times bigger TV than in any other room.
Yeah.
It's just
It is master TV.
master TV. And if we come through this door, it's a master bathroom.
Master bathroom.
Feels
Wow.
like a master bathroom. Again, double sinks. Well,
Double sinks.
if your girl takes too long time to get ready, you can wait here.
Yeah.
This is the place.
Just chill over
Chill.
here.
Yeah.
Super cool. You got also nice view. Plenty of greenery outside.
Yeah.
There is a second villa.
Another
Watch out with the neighbor.
another chair in a corner, and just behind you is a shower. Very
Yeah.
large sun shower.
Spacious, very spacious.
Yeah.
Everything in this villa is spacious.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So this is master bedroom, but
And-
we can go outside.
Yeah, and you've
right?
got a way out as well.
Okay. And this is how it looks when you enter outside area. You again have a one seater, one chair, bamboo plants, and on this side one more, and we basically came from that part
Yeah.
upstairs.
It just all feels so large, not cluttered, and this is the definitely main highlight of this villa.
And this villa has got one more secret, and that is another set of stairs.
Yeah, let's go.
And we can go to rooftop. This way. Yeah, open the door. Here. Yeah.
I'm got confused. Another large plant.
And set of stairs leading to the roof.
Look at this view.
Look at this view. So basically, when you climb those stairs, on the top you've got this little area, rooftop area. Whew.
Oh,
You've
yeah,
got 2 chairs, little table and little sofa just to chill and enjoy the view
Sunset, I
over
bet
the
it's...
Barava.
Oh, and look there.
And basically, sea is right here, guys.
You can see the ocean
Yeah.
over there. It must be absolutely breathtaking during the sunset or sunrise if you make it so early.
Yeah.
Okay, should we go?
Okay, let's go down. So guys, we are back downstairs. We've been climbing so many stairs.
Out of breath, yeah.
One more thing we didn't show you is a kitchen, which is right behind me. So let's have a quick look inside. I love those paintings.
Beautiful.
So beach vibe. So this is a little bit darker, but you basically have a fully equipped kitchen as well, and you can have a private chef as well. Yeah, so fully equipped kitchen, microwave, toaster.
Massive oven.
You also have a
wine fridge.
Yeah, wine fridge. It's off now, and double sink. And this is a utility room behind me,
Water is provided.
and large.
Massive fridge. Yeah.
Still some jam inside.
Okay, and there is a staff room. Staff space.
This is a staff room and staff toilet, so anyone
they won't
who's
show that.
Yeah. Guys, we almost forgot, you do have a built-in sound system inside the whole house, literally in every room, also outdoors as well.
Yeah.
Behind Alina there are 3 controllers, so you can control the volume of the sound in pool area, living room and outdoor living area.
Okay.
Let's test it.
Do you?
So
Yeah.
sound is over here. Yeah. Just a quick.
Creates the right
You can have a
vibe.
party here.
That's
Yes.
a great feature.
It's a very cool feature. Also, music is playing outside as well. Guys, let us know if you like this villa. Also, let us know if you would like us to tour more properties like that, perhaps a little bit more luxurious. We are happy to do budget properties as well. Please comment down below which properties would you like to see more of. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and we will see you in the next video very soon. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.